Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video to my channel. In this video, I'm going to expose exactly how I make hundreds of thousands of dollars from meme coins every single month. And it has nothing to do with trading and buying coins. While most people are out here buying coins and getting dumped on and losing thousands, I am on the other side creating those coins and profiting from every single transaction that buys my coin. Today, I'm going to walk you through the entire method live, narrative research, coin launch, everything will be done from start to cash out. Every step will be shown on camera with real numbers and a real example. Like, subscribe bro, and trust me, keep watching. And guys, I am not LARPing like most people on this platform. I genuinely made all my money from deving coins, or I would say the majority of my money, and in this video I'm just here to help you and to show you how it's done. That's it, that's all. I'm not here to sell a course. Now guys, there are multiple reasons to why I completely stopped trading and I started creating my own coins instead, and one of those reasons is because the game is rigged. Okay, I hate trading meme coins, right? I hate buying coins and then getting dumped on minutes later, just like this chart. It's so annoying because in most cases, I would say around 92% of the time, all meme coins will dump to zero, or they will just bleed out, just like this coin. And believe it or not bro, the traders do not make any money, but it's the devs. When the coin goes down, that means the dev is dumping a supply and he's making thousands of dollars. And that's exactly why I highly recommend everyone watching this video to start creating your own coins, because it costs nothing, you have nothing to lose, but you have everything to gain if you can get buyers on your coin. I make thousands of dollars every single day from creating coins, whether it's 1 coin, 10 coins, 20 coins, 5 coins, it doesn't matter bro. If one can go viral, it can make a shit ton of money and then you can just cash out. But yeah bro, in this video I will show you exactly how to dev using my strategy step by step. Let's go. And by the way bro, everything in this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Everything is for educational purposes only. Do your own research. I do not condone any financial advice. Cap! Now obviously bro, where you make your coins is really important. I would say it's the most important thing and factor that comes into your launches. And most people make their coins on Pump.Fun, which is a huge mistake despite being so popular. Pump.Fun is the most popular DEX, but it's the most over-competitive DEX. It's oversaturated and there's too many coins launching on Pump.Fun as we speak. Like most of these coins, they get no buyers, no attention, and even if they peak a bit and they get a couple buyers, you cannot actually dump the coin or cash out because Pump.Fun controls your liquidity pool, not you. So instead, I launch my coins in the Radium DEX, because when it goes to Radium bro, it gets migrated and it gets a bunch of buyers. It reaches like thousands of people, and that's exactly what we are looking for. It's less competitive and there is more money to be made in general on Radium. You guys will see bro. Now to launch the Radium, do not use Pump.Fun like I said, because of the restrictions and how hard it is, right? Instead, use Memecoin.io. It's the best launchpad if you're planning to launch a Radium, because every single coin that you dev here will go to Radium in the migrate section, okay? The last coin was 40 minutes ago, and that's exactly why people are keeping this launchpad a secret. Now, to create a meme coin here on memecreate.io, you have multiple ways to do so. It's up to you bro, and obviously bro, I will show you guys my favorite method, but the first method is to create from scratch. It's kind of obvious. If you have a community or a project, you can just invent a name, symbol, and logo for that coin and it will be created. Or if you want bro, if you have no narrative in mind, you can actually use their Twitter tracker and turn tweets into coins. But my personal favorite method is copying coins. I've made around 80% of my entire portfolio from vamping these coins. Now obviously they are all different, and all these coins, okay, are all going viral. That's exactly what makes this feature so special. They all have a bunch of buyers, a bunch of volume, and just a proven narrative, right, that you can recopy to Radium to get people to buy your coin using that narrative. That's exactly how it works. But now it's time for the second half of this video, and that is actually making money from deving and showing you every single step of the way of launching and creating this coin from scratch. Okay, well, we will be copying a coin. So click your phantom wallet, right, and now let's scan for a coin to copy. Now I usually just copy anything that pops up, so I'm gonna just go for this one, Conviction. Click on copy the Radium. Your phantom will show up and a warning will show up. Just ignore it, it's normal. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin will be bammed. Okay, just wait. And bang, bro, now if you go on SoScan, for example, you have proof that it's on chain, everything is legit and it's working. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now here is where we set up the liquidity pool, like that your coin can go live on Radium, right, and skip the entire bonding curve that Pump.Fun usually requires, and your coin will be the next in the migrate section. Now look, for the amount of coins, right, allocate 90%, so this preset should already be there. Okay, so just click on 90%. If it's not there, you can DM me on Discord or I'll help you. For the amount of SOL to pair, put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 SOL. Anything around there is good in my opinion, right? You are not going to lose this. So by the way, if you want it back, you can, but you need to put this in like that you have supply as a dev, and if you want to get your SOL back, you can just dump your supply and it will exchange it back into 0.3 SOL. Okay, so click on create pool. Your phantom will show up, just wait. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm I understand, and then click on confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button, okay, and then scroll down and bang, the conviction coin is live. Your PNL is going to show up right there, and if you want to see how much you're up on your coin, just click on refresh. And as you guys can see, we're up $243 in PNL. That is insane, guys. Like right off the bat, we are getting insta buys. Okay, these are most likely scalpers, or you know, it doesn't matter anyways. Now go on Axum, go on Photon, right, to see your coin. Go on any platform that you desire, that you use, and then the coin is live. Okay, boom, it's live. We're getting buyers left and right. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Like, look at this, bro. All this volume is pumping in. Okay, 2.5k market cap, 1.4k liquidity. Things are looking insane. Okay, it's strong. We're up like $1,000 if I had to guess already. Like, guys, we're printing so much, and look, I have nothing to lose as a dev. It costed me nothing to create this coin. Okay, and we're already up all this money. Like, this is exactly why deving is so insane. Obviously, it's not for educational purposes only, but anyways, I'ma let this coin ride. Be right back. Alright guys, I am back, okay, and our meme coin is extremely strong. I think we're up a lot of bread. Now look, to cash out, bro, come back to meme create.io. After that, bro, click on the refresh button to see how much you're up. And as you guys can see here, bro, we're up $2.43,000 in American dollars. That is insane, guys, okay? Within like 20 minutes. Now look, click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity. Your phantom wallet is going to show up, bro, quickly, come on. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm I understand, confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how to do it. I just showed you exactly how to dev a meme coin from start to finish on memecreate.io. And look guys, it's in my phantom wallet, 28 SOL. I told you guys that it is insane. Now it's up to you to stay consistent and launch coins over and over again to build up that port. Memecreate.io will be linked down below, bro. And if you want to win 5 SOL to 10 SOL like this winner right here, just like, subscribe and comment, and join my Telegram group and Discord community down below for completely free, and you will be entered. Let's go.